morning, kids. I hope you all are attending your online classes regularly. Well, this is Mahima Budwani, your general knowledge teacher, and I am back with another class. So, kids, in our today's class, we will continue our chapter number 11, the Earth. Kids, have you ever observed that the land is not same everywhere, isn't it? At some places, the whole land is covered with trees, bushes, and plants known as forest. Whereas at some places, the whole land is dry, covered with sand. We call them deserts. So in our today's class, we will study about different kinds of land, that is landforms. Before starting today's class, I will give you a quick recap of what we have studied in our previous class. In our previous class, I taught you that we all live on the planet Earth, which is round in shape just like an orange. But it's a little bit of flat on both the ends. The Earth is the third planet in our solar system. This planet is different from the other planets in the solar system because it is the only planet which supports life, or this is the only planet in the solar system on which we can live. It's because the Earth has water on its surface, air, and the perfect temperature, that is neither too hot nor too cold, to live. Our Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. This layer is called atmosphere. The atmosphere protects our Earth from the harmful rays of the sun. The surface of the Earth is covered with water. That's why it is called the blue planet. Only 1/4 is land, which consists of soil, sand, and rocks. We drink water when we get thirsty. Plants also need water to live. Just like plants and us, animals also need water to live. Well, we get water from wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. Now, kids, it's quiz time. In this, I will ask you a few questions regarding what we have studied in our previous class. Yes, kids, come on, think. I know you all can give the answer of this question. Well done. The answer is Earth. We all live on planet Earth. The second question is why Earth is called the blue planet. Yes, very good. The Earth is called blue planet because 71% of its surface is covered with water. The third and the last question is what is atmosphere? Well, yes, the answer is the layer of gases surrounding our planet, the Earth, is called atmosphere. Well done, kids. You all have done a wonderful job in the quiz. Now we will start the topic of our today's class, that is landforms. The first one is mountain. Mountain is the landform that rises up to thousands of meters above the land surface. The tip of the mountain is called peak. It is mostly covered with snow. A long chain of mountain is called a mountain range. There is the Himalayan mountain range in India, which runs across 2,400 kilometers in north of India. Standing 8,848 meters above the sea level, Mount Everest of the Himalayan mountain range is the tallest mountain in the entire world. A hill is also a piece of land that rises higher than everything surrounding it. It looks like a little bump on the land. Many of you gets confused between a mountain and a hill. They are not the same thing. On the left side is the picture of the mountain, while on the right side is the picture of a hill. As you can see it clearly, the slope of the mountains are more steeper than the hill. The hills are easier to climb than the mountain. Now we will do written work in the GK notebook. For that, take out your general knowledge notebook. And before starting the work, make sure your pencil and red and blue pencil should be sharpened. On the left side of the margin, we will write down today's date, that is 22nd of January 2021. On the right side, we will write down classwork. On the second line, we will write down chapter number 11 in the block letters. And on the third line, we will write down the chapter's name, that is The Earth. Don't forget to underline these with blue color pencil with scale. The first is mountains. Land that rises up with steep slides. So the land that has been elevated means that is higher compared to the surrounding of it. So the land which is higher or elevated compared to its surrounding and has steep sides and is shaped like a triangle are called mountains. So the land which is higher and has steep slides and is shaped like a triangle, that land is called mountains. Now we will draw the diagram of the mountains. For that, firstly we will draw one square box with the help of the scale. Make sure your all lines should be straight. For making the box, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 lines. So you have to make box using 6 lines. Now we will draw the mountains with the help of the scale. As I have told you earlier, that the shape of the mountain is like a triangle. So we will also make one big triangle. Now between these two mountains we will make one sun. Firstly we will make one half circle, then we will draw the sun rays. Now we will make one river in front of the mountains. For that you have to draw S shape like this. We will draw two S in front of each other. Now on the right side we will make the bushes and the flowers. For the bushes it is very easy, you just have to make curves. For the flowers it is not necessary to make the same shape, you can make any other flower according to your choice. Now we have completed the drawing, we will do the outline. For outline we will use black color. Sun we will do with yellow color and the rest we will outline with black color. Now after completing the outline you have to do color. For the mountain we will do brown color in the mountain, then in the sun we will do yellow color. In the river and in the background we will do light blue color. In the grass we will be doing light green color. For the bushes we will do dark green color in the bushes. In the stem and in the leaves we will do again light green color. For the flower it's up to you, you can do any color according to your choice. Now write down hills. It is a piece of land that rises higher than everything surrounding it. As I have told you in the video, hills are the piece of land that is higher compared to everything that is surrounding it. They are less steep and not as high as mountains. Compared to the mountains, the hills are less steeper and less higher. Now we will draw the diagram of the hills. For that, firstly, we will draw one square box with the help of the scale. Well, I am using total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines to make one square box. Now at the third line here, we will draw one sleeping line with the help of the scale to make the grassland. Now we will draw the hills. For that we will make one U shape like this. As you can see, it's kind of a U shape, but it's a little bit of wider. Like this, we will make 3 hills in one row. Now we will draw the clouds. For that, firstly, we will draw one sleeping line, a smaller sleeping line with the help of the scale. Then we will draw the curves. Like this. Now we will draw the pathway, one pathway in front of the middle hill. For that we will draw one curved line, 2 parallel curved lines like this. Now we will draw 2 flowers on both the side. Now we have completed the drawing. After completing it, we will outline this whole drawing with black crayon. If you don't have any crayon colors, then you can also use pencil colors, but sketch colors are not allowed. Before starting the outline, make sure your colors should be sharpened. Your crayons or pencil colors should be sharpened. After completing the outline, we will do coloring. In the clouds, I have done dark blue color, whereas in the mountain and in the pathway, I have done brown color. In the background, I have done light blue color. In the flowers, I have done pink color. You can do any other color. Whereas in the stem and in the bush, I have done light green color. Now we will make grass with dark green color. It is very easy. Firstly, you have to make a V shape like this, and in between we will draw one standing line. Now here in the grass we will do light green color. Now it's time for today's current affairs. Write down the heading current affairs in your notebook. The question is, which is the oldest mountain range? And the answer is Aravali. Aravali, Aravali range. Aravali range is the oldest mountain range in the world. Kids, do you know the mountain ranges you see in Alwar is also the Aravali range? So kids, that's all for today. I hope you all have understood what I have taught you in our today's class. See you in our next class.